Hey, I'm cute, I'm fly, I'm sassy. You know what? What is it? Darn, I forgot that thing from Bring It On, but whatever. You can't tell me that this is a synthetic wig. You, like, literally cannot tell me that. And I don't want to hear it. Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison here.
So for today's video, I am bringing you another wig review from Outre Perfect Hairline collection sent to me by Divatress. Thank you so much, Divatress, for partnering with me on this video. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video.
A lot of my mind, the only thing she come relax me. Driving that board, breaststroke. Tell me your thoughts, peep show. Know the mission, don't stop, respectfully. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Say my name. What's my name? Yeah, I know you alone, man, that's cool. She said my name, she gave a tattoo. And should've been the nigga that was past due. Now that's why I was in front of this back door, man. That nigga born bad news. She ain't never come out, he had mad rules. I could buy you Chanel, you mad shoes. I could match with you in the back too. You can tell me what you like. I can take it for the night, but yeah, I can teach you lessons you ain't never known. You can add it to your life. I can boss you up, baby. I'm here to boss you up, I can tell you don't know too much, but you ain't that sort of ass. Watch you come grab with the boss in the backseat. A lot of my mind, the only thing she come relax me. Driving that board, breaststroke. Tell me your thoughts, peep show. Know the mission, don't stop, respectfully. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? Say my name. What's my name?
You wanna do the same thing, gotta make the same thing. Pull up on the brain, show you a couple of things. Love me a dog, nigga. Might let you shoot at the blood, nigga. Ooh, she's so good, I'ma make it fall in love with it. Say it, movie, buy me some booty. Tell me some movies, I'ma let you feel on my booty. I make a movie, your ex-man, she a groovy. Baby, go to Subi. Know you wanna have inside the jacuzzi. Say my name, what's my name? Say my name. What's my name? Say my name. What's my name? You know you be all in my head, you stress me out. Talk too much, you be funny on my talk. Wait till you to get caught up, you know. You can take me to the room, you don't know. I wanna go down on you. He said that you free, I said that you free. Like I said, ooh, let me come in with you. Oh, you when I'm in the mood, I'm coming through. Pressure on you, tell me what you wanna do. Don't wait, boy, you running out of patience. Wanna come through and get nigga on me a favor. This shit gets so, it sound like goodbye.
It sound like the boss, she can grab with the boss in the backseat. A lot of my mind, the only thing she come relax me. Driving that board, breaststroke. Tell me your thoughts, peep show. Know the mission, don't stop, respectfully. Say my name. What's my name? Say my name. What's my name? Say my name. What's my name? You know what it is. T. Minotti.
You know you go broke trying to handle me. Take it from someone who know how to handle me. I'ma need that real grown kind of energy. Do you know? Cause you're dealing with a lot of competition. You're gonna have to do a lot of ass kissing. You know I got someone with the time to listen. Tell me boy, do you know? Do it every night. Show me a good time. You can do, I let you. It's right here, your chance. Learn it from the best. Here's what you gotta do. Treat me like a treat me. Treat me. Oh, baby, that's all I treat me. Love me, is unacceptable. Don't get me wrong, I'm flexible, but only in other ways my legs can go. Confessional, I'm skeptical, cause being on my level is difficult. You better wake up and put me on.
Okay guys, and now I am done with my hair and my makeup. If it looks a little off right now, forgive me. It's been a while since I filmed. I need to stop getting lip gloss on my teeth. But child, do you see this hair? Do you see this install? I think I did really good. I think this is like one of the best synthetic installs that I've done. I think she looks really, really, really good. So I think this is like one of the best installs I've ever done in my life. Like, forget it being a synthetic wig. I think this is like one of my best installs ever, and I feel like I look so good right now. Like, hey, I'm cute, I'm fly, I'm sassy. You know what? What is it? Darn, I forgot that thing from Bring It On, but whatever. So let's get into this hair. This is Outre's Bexley, I believe, sent to me by Divatress. So thank you so much, Divatress, for sending me this wig. I have this hair in the color Chocolate Swirl, and I believe it's 28 inches, which is super long, and that's just how I like it because I'm tall. I need long hair. This is the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. So this is fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig. So it's a lace frontal. It's not like the whole wig, obviously. So this wig comes in specialty colors: Chocolate Swirl, Cinnamon Wine, DR Red Velvet, DR4/ Golden Honey Blonde, DRFF Golden Ember, DRFF2 Ginger Brown, DRFF4 Buttered Toast. Let's just get into the claims of this hair. So it's pre-customized to perfection. Fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal, 6-inch deep lace parting, ear-to-ear soft HD transparent lace. Natural contour for realistic hairline, no customization required, combs for security. In the back, it has wide adjustable elastic bands, back comb for secure fit, and then for the hairline, it is pre-plucked, gradual hairline, baby hairs included. But I will say about the claims for this, I believe that most of this is true. It is a 13x6 inch frontal. The parting is 6 inches deep. It might be a little longer than 6 inches. I don't have a measuring tape, so I'm not 100% sure. But I did find that the parting space was like really long, which I liked. On the side, natural contour for a realistic hairline. I don't know if this is like the first time I've ever gotten a wig like this, but like this is the first time I had a wig fit me so nicely. Like, and you know, I have a complicated hairline. I got like extra hair here and like sideburns and shit. I ain't shaved none of that off, but the hair still is like very well did, you know. And then for the hairline, it's pre-plucked, gradual hairline, and baby hairs included. I did not pluck this hair. I literally took it out of the box and just slapped it on my head. Well, okay, I didn't just literally slap it on my head. I did tint the lace a little bit with this Eben lace tint right here, just so that it matched my skin tone a lot better. But besides that, absolutely no work needs to be done with this wig. I really, really, really love the way that this came out. Like, I'm super excited about it. I'm like super excited about it. I'm like really proud of the way that this install turned out. So what I will say, we'll start off with the cons. So what I will say is that this hair, it shed a bit when I was like combing it out, which I did not understand why, because I did not cut the hair. So I didn't see any reason for the hair to be shedding, to be completely honest. But you know, it wasn't really that much. It was enough for me to be like, ugh, it's shedding, but it's not like I have a bald spot in my wig now. So that was one con. The second con I have for this hair is that the ends, they're kind of knotty. Like, I don't want to use the word knotty and I don't want to use the word nappy, but like the ends are kind of like dry, and it's causing like tangles. Like, I can't always brush. Like, the hair looks great, but like when you brush it or like when you run your fingers through it, like the top part will be fine, but the ends will kind of be a little dry and a little thicker. I might have to like hit it with my flat iron, which I can do because this hair is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I might just hit it with my flat iron a little later, just to like, yeah, see, there's like a little resistance when I run my fingers through it. So I didn't like that because I felt like that might have been part of the reason why my hair was shedding, because I had to like comb through the hair, but besides that, it's not bad at all. Besides that, we're gonna talk about my pros. So the pros are this hairline, gorgeous, okay? I think this hairline is gorgeous. I think it came out really well. I love the baby hairs. I love the color. I love the fact that it's so soft. Like at the top, it's so soft. So I think what I will do is use my flat iron, and then hopefully the whole thing will be as soft as the top. But I think it looks so good. You can't tell me that this is a synthetic wig. You like literally cannot tell me that, and I don't want to hear it. All in all, definitely would recommend this wig from Outre. Like the Perfect Hairline collection, one of my favorite collections. Like I will, yes, if you are a beginner, I definitely think you should pick this wig up, because literally it requires no work. Like it's easy as these 4 steps that they have on the back of this thing right here. Yeah, but definitely would recommend this wig. Definitely add this to your cart. Definitely add this to your collection, because she's a throw on and go type of girl, and you look great. Like I look great right now. Sorry if my eyes are like shifting from like here to here. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I look good, okay? So if you want to feel as good as I feel because I look this good, pick this wig up, okay? Pick this wig up. Well, I just want to say thank you again to Divatress for sending me this wig. That is all for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Say hi, because this is going to be the first video I have posted in a while. This is actually the first sit down video I've posted in a minute. So leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I was sick.